In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most savory and delicious tomato basil soup. So if you want to see how, please stay tuned.
To a pot, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. You're going to saute your onions until they're caramelized. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Add 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes. Then add vegetable broth to the sauce, but you can substitute chicken broth if you like. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and then 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Add about 3 to 4 fresh basil leaves minced. I'll just emulsify your soup, and if you don't have an emulsifier, just use a blender. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Then add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Now to garnish the soup, we're going to be adding some Parmesan cheese, basil leaf, and then a few jalapenos. Look at this. This looks absolutely delicious. Now for my favorite part, you guys, which is the taste test. Let's taste some of this marvelous soup. Let's try it with the grilled cheese sandwich. Ooh, you saw that? That cheese pull, yo. So if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, I make new recipes every single week, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.